Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide and steps on how to sell XRP on crypto.com. So to get started with the guide, so the first thing to do is your first step is to open the crypto app, then sign in and make sure your fiat wallet is set up in the account section. Then after that, you have to go to trade. So once you're there on the home screen, tap the trade and tap sell, then tap sell. After that, you have to select the SRP from the list of coin. So choose the SRP. Then after that, you have to pick the fiat wallet as the destination for the sale. So once you're done with that, you have to enter the amount and you confirm. So to do this, type how much SRP you want to sell. Then after that, tap sell and confirm the transaction. Then your SRP is now sold and the money will show up in your fiat wallet ready for withdrawal or future use. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.